This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Sapa spaghetti. This comforting dish begins with high-quality spaghetti, a robust tomato base, and succulent minced meat. Incorporating fresh aromatics like garlic and onions, along with colorful bell peppers, truly elevates the flavor of your homemade sauce. Remember to choose a good olive oil and your favorite seasonings to build a truly memorable meal from scratch. To craft your rich Sapa sauce, begin by gently sautéing 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 finely chopped onion in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Once fragrant, add about 1 pound of your chosen minced meat, cooking it until beautifully browned. Then, stir in approximately 28 ounces of quality tomato sauce, allowing it to simmer for at least 20 minutes. Finally, incorporate 1 diced bell pepper and a pinch of dried oregano for wonderful aromatic depth. For perfectly cooked spaghetti, first boil a large pot with about 4 quarts of generously salted water. Add your spaghetti, cooking it according to package directions, typically 8 to 10 minutes, aiming for an ideal al dente texture. Remember to stir occasionally. This prevents the strands from sticking together while they cook. Drain the cooked spaghetti thoroughly, but carefully reserve about 1/4 cup of the starchy pasta water for later use. To finish your delicious Sapa spaghetti, combine the al dente pasta directly with your warm, simmered Sapa sauce. Toss everything gently, ensuring every strand is beautifully coated with the rich, savory sauce. If the sauce seems too thick, add a splash of the reserved pasta water to loosen it to your desired consistency. Garnish with fresh, chopped parsley and a generous sprinkle of Parmesan cheese before serving hot, creating a delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.